Welcome to the series Anxiety Management through Pranayam. This is third session and today we'll discuss about a unique technique called Ujjayi. Before going to actual technique, let me tell you a background of this pranayam. Lack of expression is a major reason for many anxieties, depressions, suppressions, or all these psychological disorders, because either we do not have someone where we can talk freely, or we lack that confidence in ourselves in speaking up your heart. And that's a very common cause which I see around me as a reason of anxiety and so-called bad mood or suppression or depression, whatever you can call it as. This particular pranayam called Ujjayi is a very effective pranayam for those who have this problem of expressions. This pranayam is explained as one of 8 kumbhakas in all the scriptures and is given very high respect to this pranayam. This is pranayam which you can also do while doing some asanas, and in many traditions the asanas are done while performing this Ujjayi pranayam. Now in this pranayam you have to inhale and exhale in a way that there will be a friction in your throat region. So when air goes in and when air goes out, it makes a certain sound, a sound like an ocean, sound of waves. Have you heard this the oceanic sound? This kind of sound we make with closed mouth. For many of you, it could be difficult initially, so I advise you to practice this kind of breathing. Then, next step will be close your mouth and try to make the sound while inhalation and exhalation, and that sound will be this much is Ujjayi pranayam. Yes, this much of the breathing alteration can make a lot of changes with your lack of expression habit. Let me demonstrate you once again. So you have to inhale, and while inhaling, the air will touch your throat. So you have to contract your glottis a little bit. So it will be like this. Easy technique, just contract your throat a little bit when you inhale and when you exhale. Many times people make mistake that they make the inhalation and exhalation sound like Brahmari. The sound of Brahmari comes from the nostril or the nasopharynx, and the sound of Ujjayi comes from your pharynx, actually from here. Do this pranayam, you can do 6 rounds up to 12 rounds. You can do this. I am teaching you a very basic of Ujjayi. I am not teaching you any kind of kumbhaka which is not advised in this way of. You need to have a teacher when you can do actual Ujjayi kumbhaka pranayam. So this is my advice. Well, one more thing, that those who have thyroid issues, this pranayam is a very excellent pranayam. Those who have the cough accumulation over here, and because of that the hoarseness of sound is there, or there is always this this kind of sensation when you have Ujjayi pranayam, will certainly help you. I advise the Ujjayi pranayam early morning, empty stomach. That gives you the best benefit. So for now, this is about Ujjayi pranayam. If you have any question, you can certainly ask. Till then, take care. Thank you very much.